Полки идут стеной, красиво держат строй, и гордо шелестят знамена. Комбаты рядовой, единою судьбой, мы связаны навек, друг мой. Служить России суждено тебе и мне, служить России, удивительной стране, где солнце новое встает на небе синем. Плечом к плечу идут российские войска, и пусть военная дорога нелегка, мы будем верой и правдою служить России. Бесстрашие атак мы сохранили флаг и дом родной нашей песни. А коль придет беда, с собою мы тогда отчизну заслоним, друг мой. Служить России суждено тебе, служить России, удивительной стране, где солнце новое встает на небе синем. Плечом к плечу идут российские войска, и пусть военная дорога нелегка, мы будем верой и правдою служить России. И пусть военная дорога нелегка, мы будем верой и правдою служить России.
Hi and welcome. This is my AK47 Airsoft rifle. This is the mock-up bolt. Actually serves no purpose on the gun, but it looks good and sounds great. I've always had M4s and liked them, but you have to have an AK in your collection at some stage. So this is mine. This is a Gunslinger, so it's a bit rare. The AK has a unusual fire select. First fire selection is for semi and in full auto. Nice crisp. Sorry about this. The sling mount is to the rear. It has two. Firstly, this one, and a further one up on the rifle bolt, on the rifle barrel. You have butterfly molds on the side there, so you can mount whatever you want on the side and on the rear. And that's the front sling mount, which is a metal, and it's pretty much stuck. The flash hider is fully metal as well. But the sights on these, they don't have side wind change. So to adjust the sights on this one, you press the button on the side and move it up and down. This gives you the height. It doesn't have left or right on that. Yeah, select the height you want. So the magazine release is the same as most AKs. Just squeeze the button and the magazine drops out. To get it back in again, you clip it inside. The clip you can see just on the side there. This is a metal magazine. Again, you can get different types of magazines on these as well. To insert it back in, use the clip on the front, clip it back into the body, and then it snaps into place. Most satisfying sound. So that's again, the top of the gun's all metal, all the barrel and everything's all metal. To get the battery out, just push down on the stock button. See, there's loads of space in here. I have wired this one. This one didn't have the stock on it because it's a tactical version. So I wired it in there. The battery I'm using is a 7.4. It's only a small one because that's what goes in the AK. But there's so much space you can get it in pretty much any battery in there. You can use an 11.4 is probably too much for this. Not much rattle in the gun. Again, the hop up is adjusted. You can see just on the button there, you move it backwards and forwards, and that will increase or decrease the hop, giving you more height or more range. This is why I rear wired it, because you don't get a lot of space in the AK, just that minimum amount. Obviously, the wires would come through the front of the gun, but that's all you can use. So, putting the rear stock on, gives you a bit more space. Also, look how difficult it is to try and attach the top body back on again. It's just too cumbersome. I know you don't do that in a game, but still, just didn't want that hassle. All in all, a nice gun.